Compensation profiles in the fi360 Toolkit help to define the fees that are being charged, the actual value of the fee, and the services that are being rendered for the fee that is received. You also define who is receiving the fee and who is paying the fee in a compensation profile. So with that being said, it's important to review both service providers, service provider types, the services and fee schedule sections before you jump into compensation. All these items need to be established before you can actually build the first profile. But once you have established those items, you can click on the Create button to create a new profile, or we can edit an existing profile. First one we'll pull up is this simple Form 5500 fee. On the left side of this pop-up, we see just some simple options: a compensation code that you can use to help pre-fill some information, but then the actual name that you'll use for internal purposes, the display name that will be used in the reports, how that fee is being assessed. Is it a flat fee? Is it being charged through basis points per participant or a fee schedule? The frequency and then the value are also defined here. On the right side, we're actually adding a description that will be used in the reports, and then the particular services that are being rendered for this fee. So in this example, we may only have one particular service that's being charged or being rendered. And then finally, the payer, who's paying the fee, and the payee, who's receiving the fee. Another example is this bundled fee, and it's labeled bundled in the system, but again, if we pull this up, the display name may just be simply advisory fee. But in the end, again, all the items are the same. The one other item of note is the services. So this is an example where more than one service is being rendered for the fee being charged. So make sure that you select and define all those items in the system before you jump in here. If you need to, again, define any services, jump into the Services tab, or define any payer or payee items in the system, jump into the Service Provider Type tab, and then you can establish those in the Toolkit and then use them as you build your profile. Once you build your profile, you can jump into the client area and add these to the client.